2 videos, 0 to 1,000 subscribers, 12,000 views, hundreds of comments, tons of leads and contacts wanting to buy. The offer is validated. But here's the problem: I couldn't deliver. Not because the offer was bad, because I got too much demand. I had to send apologize email with 50% off coupons for something better coming soon. That's the good problem nobody talks about. Everyone teaches you how to start AI automation workflow or agent. Nobody shows you how to scale using productized service. Today, I'm building my scaling system live and I'm testing the cashback system that will become our first product. This video is different. I'm showing you what happened in 5 days, why most people fail when they scale, and how to from validation to scalable service. Complete system I'm building right now. Before I show you the numbers, you need to understand why I'm doing this. I'm not here to sell you another course. I'm already did that. Made $50,000 per month teaching AI automation and 40,000 YouTube subscribers on my Korean channel, 1,400 community members. I had everything, but I was lying to myself. I was teaching people to leverage AI while I wasn't building anything real. I was selling dreams, not products. I was part of the problem. So at 26, I killed it all. Not because it failed, because it succeeded at the wrong thing. And I have a family, my mom, who supported me alone for 20 plus years, and my wife, my baby coming into this world. If I keep lying to myself, if I keep selling courses when I know they don't work, I will be ashamed to look them in the eyes. So I moved to Vancouver, start over, committed to building products, not courses. English is my second language, but business is my first language. Guys, execution over education, data over advice, and building over learning. So that's why this exists. Now, let me show you what's happening. First thing first, this is my YouTube traffic evidence. Before these 2 videos, I only have about 100 followers. And after these 2 videos, I get 900 follower in 5 days. And this is our analytics. My YouTube traffic evidence make a 12,000 view and 120 comments and get a 600 likes. Before these 2 video, our YouTube channel just under 100 followers and we get hundreds of positive comments like this. This is validation, real people and real pain. Our every YouTube video is tested our audience. I really want to know their mindset. That's why I make more aggressive video content. And second one, how can I do it if I had a 9 to 7 job? And this is my personal email. Next comments, this was excellent, Chris. And this one too, genius, very similar to what Alexander Wang did with Scale AI. And I want to explain this method to you guys. To be honest, this is not related to our now video, but very similar at my mindset. The data obtained from this would be extremely valuable because you can then refine your sales process to optimize what works and get rid of what doesn't work. This is 100% represent my mindset. You can see which niches would pay the most for AI automation and transformation. And you can then use that data to scale quickly. You now have a list of motivated potential clients who will pay for any future products. Yeah, this is a result, all wanting the $300 7-day offer. These people are stuck and they have AI skills, no customers. That's my target market. But here's the problem. We validated too fast. 15 plus people want it. I'm gonna share my Stripe screen. This is real time. Our phase 1 was 101. I could handle 3 people max. And then I sent apologize email. That's it. In 5 days, make a tons of value. Let me show you exactly what we did every single day. First, I work 16 hours a day, 50 plus outreach per day, 3 to 4 hours cold email and warm email, everything, and get a 32 follower in 2 days. And YouTube comments on every video, every comment. I left every comments and every reply like this. Mainly X and YouTube, and Instagram and LinkedIn, everything I did. And write YouTube script 3 to 4 hours. 1 or 2 scripts per day. I'm gonna share our content management system. For example, this is our next video. I sold fake AI automation to Vancouver chicken restaurant. Don't sell AI agent. This video script right here. What Daniel did, Daniel works 8 hours daily, while working his full-time development job. He works as video creative director in this business. Video editing 1 long-form video per day, 6 or 7 hours, tape and distribute 12 short video, and thumbnail design and quality control and revision. And we already pre-wrote 7 more video scripts. We are not waiting, we are shipping daily. Volume creates love. And this is not a magic, this is execution. 50 plus outreach touches per day, 1 video plus 12 shorts. Compound impact. We got validated, but we hit capacity. And that's when I saw the pattern. The same pattern I've been seeing in my previous multi-6-figure business, Future Flow. And most people fail at this exact moment. Let me show you why. When you get validated and too much demand, most people make one fatal mistake. They try to build automation before they validate manually. Automation or SaaS, whatever, code-based task. But here's the real problem. Most people can't even reach this phase. They can't validate their idea even though they have the skills and product. Why? Because they try to build automation or software before they deliver manually 100+ times. They spend 6 weeks building end-to-end workflows, make.com systems, custom AI agent, bullshit. For something nobody wants, we add. And then they chase shining objects. A new AI model drops. Oh, OpenAI make a new Sora model, Sora 2. And new automation tools launches. They restart everything. The pattern is simple. They have an idea. It's really good. Good idea, but worthless. Immediately build automation. That's the fatal mistake. And chase new tools. N8N, Higgs field, and never get customer. We can predict this outcome. And never even validate the offer. Your validated offer is just version 1. It's not final, it's not perfect, it's just starting point. You need manual process and deliver until you get confidence about your software. Deliver 100+ time teaches you. This is education. You can learn what customers actually want, not what you think they want. Tasks, time to automate first. And what needs human touch, what not to automate. People will actually pay for, not your assumption. I've done this 3 times months, burned money, tons of money. By this fail, you automate the wrong thing. You never assume your customer's desire before you execution.
And then the final step is automate. Made the mistake of going backwards on all 5 steps. Multiple times.
You build features nobody needs. You waste 6 months when you could be serving customers. You never learn what actually works. This time, we're doing it right now. Manual first, then service, then product. Here's the framework that actually works. This is the 3-phase process I wish I knew 5 years ago when I started my first business. Buy this under $1,000, under 7 days, manual, one-on-one delivery, validate demand with 3 to 5 customers. Why these constraints? Phase 1 is about finding signal, not tracking noise. Under 100 to test, low friction to test if anyone actually cares. And under 7 days, fast feedback loop. You learn in day, not months. And manual delivery, you can't automate what you don't understand yet. One-on-one delivery, conversation, you need to hear the real problem in their words. And most important part, do not track, never do not track anything at this phase. I uploaded tons of Twitter posts, but never track, not yet. Tracking without massive data, unnecessary right now phase. What is the real work, Chris? Talking to customers. You are building dashboard for 3 people. You are analyzing conversation rates with 10 visitors. You are optimizing funnels that don't exist yet. Stop, just talk to people. Phase 1 is about will they pay? And there is exit decision. If people yes, demand exists, no, killed it. Aggressive. For example, $300 pre-offer because 100% refundable if completed. We validated, right? So we passed this phase and go to Execution Squad Season 1. And what is minimum viable service? This is where we are now. Data collection for Phase 3. Maybe someone blame me. Oh, you blame education culture, but you do education. This is a challenge model. Motivate you, other under 5,000 revenue per challenge, and 4 to 12 weeks duration, and group challenge model. Not cohort, not course, never selling, just challenge. The goal is prove you can serve 100 plus people with this model. So we price increase because people with skin in the game execute more and higher commitment, better data quality, and filters for serious builders only, and time extended. 7 days to 4 weeks need time to gather execution patterns. Can't build software from 7-day data. 4 weeks enough to see real behavior pattern. And change models. We change 101 to challenge with cashback, scales data collection. And this purpose is test this, the incentive mechanics that become software. So this is a different purpose. And then now we track everything. Daily execution submission, completion rates, what makes people quit or finish, which incentives works, cashback triggers and behavior changes. This is Phase 2. And I explained these details at my website, AI Chris Lee. There is, everything is in there. And you can read my philosophy, my strategy, and my mapping skill for Phase 3. We're gonna go MVP. Finally. This is the future after 100 plus people completely Phase 2. Constraints, scalable software built from MVS data. This data is our own, not a ChatGPT, not a Claude, not a other AI automation gurus. Automated delivery using proven patterns. Serve thousands plus people. This is our goal and our example and challenge app software product. And after 10 plus challenges and 100 plus completely Phase 2, we know what works. Right? Not built on theory, built on real execution patterns from Phase 2, and cashback system already tested with real money, and forces execution mechanics proven to work. Our future. And Execution Squad Season 1, we deal with this section. Phase 3, MVP. This is our future. You can see our journey through my YouTube channel. I always share this kind of transparency result with broken grammar. Now, this is main part. I'm showing you how to upgrade from Phase 1 to Phase 2. Watch closely. We will recheck our MVO, tool stack, and offer. This is our MVO, website make execution squad pilot, website make a Notion, just blog style. And then go to Calendly with payment. This is a minimum value offer stack, Notion Stripe Calendar. Now, MVS Execution Squad Season 1 4-week challenge, 10 plus challenge. And here's my statement. Use existing tools, build custom systems, N8N, make.com. Get 30 plus, 100 plus people through first, then build software or your system. We'll use N8N for complex workflows later, but not now. Start simple, scale with proof. Then our MVP, executor.io. This is draft name. We don't have domain right now. You are not just joining cohort. Season 1 participants get lifetime access with it launches. Finally, we make whole system a few automated. First, this is a landing page with our new offer, AIChrisLee.com. Like this, very simple and blog-based content, screenshot, proof shot. Why am I make like this? If you don't have testimonials at first time, be detailed at your product. If you don't do that, a lot of people ask you, what is the timeline? How much I commit one hypothesis and massive action until your first sales and data map your workflow or keep deliver. Week 4, we're gonna iterate, scale or kill. And what you actually get, 1 orientation, 4 live group course, and daily Slack war room, and productized service toolkit. We already made this whole guideline. If you click the CTA, go to our calendar, and you can choose something. And 30 minutes onboarding calls. Select with our form, 5 questions. And you will make with us this kind of whole system. I quit my 50,000 business because I was lying to myself. I had everything, money, status, team, but I was teach instead of building, selling dreams instead of products. That's not who I want to be. Not for my mom who supported me for 20 plus years, not for my wife, not for my baby coming into this world. I want them to be proud of me. And I can only be proud of myself if I'm building, not just teaching. This is my philosophy and our 3 phase. 12,000 people watch it. Most will do nothing. Some will think about it. A few will execute. Which one are you? Ideas are worthless. Execution is everything. I'm Chris. LinkedIn description. Let's build.